So we had a road closure for about an hour this afternoon, and so there was they were blocking that entrance over there, and way down by the beach they were blocking it over there. They had like a county sheriff, or they had a police person down that way, and I think they were probably doing some kind of test on the BN 2.1, or I'm not sure what it's called now, but on test pad B, there are some people down that way, and we're like within 20 minutes of that ending of the road closure, so there are people down there. So that would lead me to suspect that they were doing something with that down that way. And so anyway, like a summary of the day, the road that I'm standing on now is still closed. You can see this yellowish area all the way down. They're still working on the gravel. See that black area? I'll put some videos. If you look on Twitter, there's some pictures and some of the other locations, Instagram and stuff. I'll post some pictures of that area, or you can check out another Twitter video where I did like a close-up of that section. So they're almost done with this side of the road, and they'll be unless they do some paving, they're going to be probably opening up this side. And so since it's not open, I can stand here. See, this side of the road is still closed, but on the other side is they're going to be, see where that water is puddled, they're going to be putting in a sidewalk over there, and maybe some cars will start parking on that side. So they may tear up that other side over there and start working on that and make that better, because that water's not supposed to be puddling there. And they already put a sidewalk. They already put a sidewalk down that way, and they started laying down the rebar. You can see it over here. They're going to lay that rebar down, and that someone was saying that that yellow piping was important. I'm not clued into what all that yellow piping is for. I think RGV aerial photography got some from above images of that yellowish piping, but that's going on there also. And so my big thing for today is there was some kind of test here for that BN 2.1 is my guess. They moved out the blue crane yesterday, mostly yesterday evening, and I don't see any pieces of it here right now. And then this road here is what they worked on, in my view, today the most, and it's almost done. All right, checking out Ocean Cam, Mamakos, and thanks for checking in, and there'll be more content in the future.